Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Guys, let's watch this.
This is Talas in Cravenby. I am urging South Africans not to support them anymore. They just beat a South African in front of the police. In front of the police here.
Excuse me,
Hey, fuck you. Fuck off. You can't come and beat our people here. I will not stand for that. I will not stand for that. Then you report it to the police. You even beat another guy's car. Hey, go on. You are not gonna beat our people in front of me. People don't buy here anymore. Don't buy. Yes. You talk shit. You fucking flathead. Don't buy here. Don't buy. These are foreigners that wants to take over in our country and beat our own people. Then they stand here, then they want to give a guy a bowl of food. Don't buy from them. They're a bunch of fucking rogues. You think you can mess with everyone? You will not mess with me. You will not mess with me. I will fucking close this establishment.
I will wait for you. Thank you so much. I will wait for you.
Yes, you can wait for me. You can wait for me. You want to come and beat our people? Are you then sick in your head? And in front of the police? No, you don't tell me what to do. I'm not on your payroll. I'm not on your fucking staff roll. You're a cunt. Come and beat me, come. You're a lady. A lady. You will see what this lady can do. You're a fucking bunch of rubbishes. That's what you are. They must lock him up. They must lock him up.
Bangladesh is beating up South Africans in front of South African police. And if you see this policeman getting out of the van, going inside that shop, you will think, if you don't know, you will think that he is going in there to teach those Bangladeshis a lesson. But because we know them, we know that he is going in there to collect bribe for allowing these Bangladeshis to beat South Africans in front of him or in front of them.
You guys want to come and take over, and you want to come and treat South Africans like shit. Not on my watch, not in front of me. They are used to beating their staff. This is what I just was told. They were used to beating their staff. These foreigners must go back to where they come from.
You are living here. Where?
I'm not gonna die with that fuck shit.
Fuck shit, what is fuck shit?
I'm gonna go.
Even your English, I can't hear it because you are stupid.
Yeah.
You are stupid. I can't even hear your English. You are living here. Because
My own time.
Where?
You think you bring me here?
Where are you
Give me
going to
a
live your own
run
time?
here.
Where are you going to live? You live here tonight.
Here is a Zimbabwean tenant and his landlady, a South African landlady. I don't even know why South Africans are so stubborn to continue to give these people indawo zokuhlala. And this Zimbabwean is threatening her now, refusing to leave her house.
You will see where you take this faggot shit. You will see. She. You are one, but we have to take it the wrong way, Sana Lam. We have to take behind bars because you don't know even who I am. We have to tap I'm Sunag. We're looking at Luluan and you piece of shit. Can you even make babies? Nonsense, you can't even write your own name, stupid. Sam, you are going to leave South Africa. We don't want to hear. You will see tonight, Kawamba, and thank me later. You know that
they will kill you in Ethiopia if you can do this.
This one is for those who are stubborn. This one is for those who are still buying from Abo, my friend. Look at how they are making acha. Look at how they are making your favorite acha. Look at the dirtiness. Inside the bathroom, that is where they are making acha. Inside the bathtub, where they are bathing. But you don't want to listen. You want to continue to buy there.
It's your acha, guys. It's your acha. So please be worrisome when you eat that acha. Look at that. Oh, this is what they used to wipe. Look at how it is. That's where they scoop it. And it's in cups, containers. There we go. Packaged here for you, for your consumption.
What is he saying? What is the inspector saying? He said, you know what? He said, you do the country. I said, do you know you have laws in this country?
Zimbabwe's in the focus. We are not going anyway. We are at this we in Damuno, South Africa, Tiripo, Silla. We are here to stay. Zimbabwe, our flag on the comment section. Our flag on the comment section. I say now and listen to me very careful. I'm here and I'm hoping you in your country. Yes, I'm here and I'm hoping you in your country. 3 more roses. Finish them, guys. Finish them. Show them shaggy. See, last thing I'm Zimbabwe City. We are not going anywhere. We are very dangerous, Mama. You don't know us. On the speed we play, guys. You want to come here, those concords, when see country times to family. Yes, we are here to stay. We are not going anywhere. Tell your kids to play. Tell your poor South Africans to play. Yes, and some of our South Africans, they are this side. Yes, because they don't love you, my sister. They don't love you. They don't know in South Africa. We are here to stay. We are not going anywhere.
Zimbabweans are very dangerous. But they are not dangerous to their government. They are not dangerous when it comes to fighting for their country. Even to protest, they are very weak. But they are very dangerous in South Africa. They are warriors in South Africa. But at the same time, this lady is telling the truth about South Africans, that other South Africans are on their side, fighting us, their fellow South Africans, because of people who are insulting them. Because these people are not insulting only patriotic South Africans. They are insulting South Africans. If they say we are lazy, they mean all of us. Whatever bad name they call us, they include all of us. They are not speaking about a particular group of South Africans. They are speaking about the whole country, South Africa, including the president. If they say South Africans, they mean South Africans. Like Malema, their big brother. If Malema is insulting South Africans, he's including even his followers. He's not saying, except you guys. No, he's including all of us, including them, those who are busy clapping there.
We are here to stay. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. Yes. Tell them to play. Tell your mister to play. We tell your mister to play. Anifuna ukusebenza ngithi. Anifuna ukusebenza ngithi. Amusikuda kushanda imi. Isutha uyaphana ukuzoshanda mama. Uyaphana ukuzoshanda mama. Size la ukuzosebenza sis. Bring it. Bring it. Oyo Zimbabwe oyo. Why Zimbabwe to the world? Bring it. Bring it, mama. Even in South Africa, abantu abathi foreigners they must go back. Yilaba bangafundile.
Yini ngafuna ugoduka nibuyele emakhaya kini.
Ngizokuduka. Uleke noma nini.
Unayingane ekhaya? Sikhathele phela manje.
Ukhathezeni.
Nina. Senibaningi?
Ngeke kaphela makholekwe la. Maningi phele. Ngeke kaphele. Maningi ngitshele.
Yini usingakaphela? Indaba uthi ngakaphela.
Manje wena
obula makholekwe ayadala la anayingani la. So kuna aphele unzima kakhulu. Abantu ayahamba 100 uyabuya 200. Ayahamba 100 ayabuya 200.
Angeke aze aphele cause ayazala la aneyingane la. Exactly what this Zimbabwean lady just said, ukuthi some South Africans are on their side. Yibo ke laba bazala lezo ngane okuthiwa ngeke zize iphele South Africa. Uthi kuhamba 100s kubuye 200s. It means kuhamba by 100s beye ekhaya and come back with another 100s. Babuya sebe 200s.
Hayibo.
Azophila kanjani?
Neqa kanjani lapha kwibhoda?
Azophila kanjani?
Neqa kanjani kwibhoda?
border
awekho namaphoyisa lapha
amaphoyisa
kwibhoda
anandaba imali bambo uyabona ke imali imali answer for everything baba imali ngitshela imali
wonke khipha imali lapha
imali.
We are hearing everything from the horse's mouth. Ukuthi we are paying. There's no problem if you have money at the border. We are paying, then we get inside. It's not a problem. And we are hearing from the horse's mouth again. Ukuthi they go home, the hundreds will go home and come back with another hundreds. And if we tell these politicians, which we have more than 100 million of these people here, they will tell us, no, you are overreacting. They are less than 5 million. And if we continue to fold our hands and watch our patriots fighting alone, there's no future for our children. Our children will blame us in future. Ukuthi azange sibalwele, we didn't fight for them. But Tina, people before us fought for us. So let me know what you think on the comment section, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share the video. Love you so much. Bye.